everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu, the seat from the 17th to the 21st of May 2021 on Monday. Ndisikhuphile and Nokuzola reconnect and make love, but Nokuzola still carries guilty over her affair with Nkululeko on Tuesday. Thokozile is almost caught at Pakate's church. In her rush state, she dropped a package of umuti on Wednesday. Baby Mepo goes missing. Mandlovu is desperate to track down Walter's family before he passes away on Thursday. Nkululeko blames Fikile for Mepo's missing, and Ndisikhuphile failed to convince Nokuzola to return to the Bengo house on Friday. Mazulu is on Thokozile's trail and asks Menzi for help. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.